When your teams are in the heat of an incident, it's crucial that everyone knows what there is to be done and who is doing what. With the new task section in xMatters, you can add tasks and task lists to incidents, assign users to those tasks, and then set a time and a date that task needs to be done, and a whole bunch more. Let me show you how. Task lists are useful if you follow team-specific playbooks during the incident management process and help resolvers adhere to best practices to reduce response time. To add a new task to an incident, go to the Task section of the Incident console, click Add, and select Task to open the Add Task side panel. Give the task a name and an optional description. Click the Status drop-down and select the task current status: Not started, In progress, Completed, and Rejected. If the status is in progress or completed, select a start and/or an end time for the task. For the due date, select None, Relative, Repeating, or Specific. For specific due dates, select the time and date the task is due. For relative due dates, specify the number of minutes the task is due after either task creation, incident initiation, or incident resolution. You can also repeat the task due date type, which allows you to run a task over a set amount of time until the incident is resolved. In the Assignee section, start typing the name of a user to search for them and select them. To create another task immediately after you finish adding the current task, select the Add Another Task checkbox and click Add. To add a task list from the task list page, click Add Task List. Type the name of the task list and an optional description, and then click Add. You can use the incident timeline during and after an incident to keep track of everything that's happened during the incident. The timeline automatically records activities in real time, while also allowing users to manually add notes to provide additional context. The incident timeline will include entries whenever tasks are created, modified, or deleted, so that incident commanders and SREs can review how the incident response performed. The available filters allow you to narrow the task list based on matching specific criteria: all, active, completed, and rejected. Only one filter can be applied at a time. If you want to delete a task, click on the name of the task you want to remove, and then click Delete. If you remove a task from a task list, the task will still appear in the incident console of any existing incidents currently using that task list. You can also configure your task list to work with your Flow Designer incident step. In the Tools tab, under xMatters, drag the Add Task List to Incident step into the canvas and connect it to your flow. Double-click the setup or click Edit to open the setup screen. The Incident ID field identifies the incident that you want to add the task list to. If you have the Initiate Incident step in your flow, you can add the Incident ID variable. To do this, click the Initiate Incident tab in the sidebar and drag the Incident ID variable under the Incident ID section. Add a task list by typing the name of one or more task lists in your system. Then click Done to save it on the canvas. To get started using tasks and task lists in xMatters, sign up for free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know down below in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.